Hello everyone, today we make Egyptian way of rice pudding. Rice pudding, modern style, is Egyptian way. It's very simple, full of energy, full of nuts, and it's very easy. Maximum in 5 minutes you will have it. Don't forget to subscribe and to make like, share our video, and I'm sure you will
السلام
like it.
عليكم ورحمة الله اخواتي الاعزاء
Here,
مشاهدينا
very
الكرام.
simple recipe:
النهارده
400
هقول لكم حاجة بسيطة
milliliter
نعملها في
water,
البيت تعمل عليها ان
70
شاء الله ربنا
70 gram
يكرمك.
of Egyptian
رز
rice.
بلبن
Egyptian
او
rice is have
رايس بودنج
grain
بطريقة سهلة
rice,
وبسيطة مفيهاش
and
كلمة
you can
الف.
also use
هنجيب
arborio
جرام
rice.
مية،
It's almost the same.
70 جرام
So
رز،
70 gram
70
rice,
جرام
400
اللي هو الرز المصري
milliliter
بتاعنا،
water. We mix together, just medium speed
120 جرام سكر، 500
hot.
جرام حليب،
Then we have 120 gram sugar,
10 جرام
10
نشا،
gram
عود فانيليا،
corn flour, 1 vanilla
او
stick
ممكن في ناس
or
بتحب
vanilla essence,
الفانيليا
whatever you
باودر
like,
ماشي،
so you
وفي
can
ناس
use,
بتحب
and 500
قشر
milliliter
البرتقال
fresh
او قشر
milk.
الليمون، مش
So
الزيت
we take little bit
في
of
ناس
fresh
بتحط
milk,
قرفة.
we mix with the
هنحط
corn
شوية
flour,
حليب من ال 500 جرام على
as you
النشا
see,
واقلبهم وبسيبهم
we
على جنب،
mix
مش هحتاجهم
and
دلوقتي خالص.
just stir it
خلاص
to
قلبتهم مع شوية من الحليب.
emulsify, then we
المية
keep
حطينا
aside, we
مع
not use it now.
الرز
Here,
وببدأ ايه
water and
اقلبه شوية
rice
وبسيبه على نار هادية
in medium heat. Then I have vanilla stick. I break. I don't open vanilla stick because I don't want to have this the seed, the black seed of vanilla. I need to take the aroma of vanilla. So just I break it out, as you see. Then in 12 minutes maximum, as you see, the rice absorbing all the water. So I added the fresh milk. I don't steam the rice and remove from water. No, I let the rice in medium hot to absorb all the water and cook in same times. Then when I added the milk, all the benefits of the rice stay in the same pan. So I have full of aroma. Then I added the sugar and I stir it softly because I don't want to stir fast to break the rice. And I leave again in the medium speed. I leave the cover little open so it can take out. So from time to time, I try to stir the rice milk. So I make sure that all is cooked very well. And I don't over stir so it cannot break. I need the whole rice, you can feel it. It takes almost the second step, almost 10-12 minutes in medium hot. And as you see, the rice start cooking with the milk, so it's absorbing the aroma of the milk with the vanilla. Some people put skin, not zest, skin of orange or skin of lemon, but I prefer the Egyptian way. We only put vanilla. When, as you see, start boiling, the rice boiling, I added the 10 gram of corn flour. You can do with corn flour or not, it's up to you, but I put 10 gram for half liter just to make it little pudding, it's to be soft. But anyway, even if you don't put the corn flour, it will set because already the Egyptian rice have many corn starch, I mean it's have starch, so it will set. But the 10 gram of corn flour make it much better. Now this quantity make almost 6 cup. I leave the vanilla beans inside, so you know it's fermenting more vanilla aroma, and you can use vanilla essence, vanilla extract, vanilla powder, whatever you want you can use. And this bring very nice flavor and aroma to the rice. Now almost finished. I keep aside in the fridge to cool down. In the same times, I bring 100 milliliter fresh cream, no sugar at all, just fresh cream. I mix it until whip, strong whip, as you see, strong whip. Then make sure that it's not getting butter, just as a stiff fresh cream, no sugar at all. When the rice cool down, I put cinnamon powder, very important. Egyptian love with cinnamon powder. Then raisin or sultana, this is very important for us. And finally, roasted nuts. Wow, almond, hazelnut, whatever you like should be roasted. It gives nice aroma. 1 spoon of hot water, and then I make cannelle of fresh cream, fresh mint. As you see, you have amazing Egyptian rice pudding. Bon appetit. Don't